Hey everyone, welcome back. In this beginner's guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Talkie AI, from setting up your profile to creating your first character. When you first install and open the app, you'll go through a short setup. It'll ask about your pronouns, your age range, and relationship preferences. Just pick what feels right for you. Next, the app will ask for a couple of permissions like notifications. Go ahead and allow those so you don't miss updates. Once that's done, you'll land on the main screen. You can swipe left or right to browse through different AI characters. Each one has its own intro story. Tap on a character to open a chat. You'll see a starter message and you can type back at the bottom. For example, if a character says hi, you can reply with something like, "What's up?" If you don't like the reply they give, you can regenerate it until you find one you prefer. The AI adapts to your style. Instead of typing, you can also hold down the microphone button to send a voice message. Just make sure you grant microphone access first. At the bottom, there's a light bulb icon. Tapping it gives you suggestions for what to say if you're stuck. The plus button reveals extra tools. You can reset a chat, start a voice call, send images or links, or even report a character if something feels off. You can always swipe again to meet more characters, each with a different intro and scenario. If you want to save your conversations, tap the plus button on a character and log in with Google or another account. Once you're signed in, all your chats will be saved. In the Messages tab, you can revisit old conversations, see likes and comments, and explore posts in the community section. One of the coolest features is creating your own talkie. Just tap Create, add a photo, choose a voice and background music, then set up the intro and personality. The Discover page lets you check out trending talkies or browse by category, like anime, games, or helpers. And don't forget your Profile tab. You can edit your username, pronouns, and introduction, or switch on teen mode if needed. And that's it. The Beginner's Guide to Talkie AI. From meeting characters to creating your own, there's a lot to explore. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial.